Yo, what up nerds, it's your boy Grizz. Today I'm gonna show you how to use TikTok Live Studio. You gotta have 1,000 followers for this feature, by the way. But you'll click your picture, then you'll click TikTok Live Studio in the drop down. Click that red button for the free download for Windows. Once you do that, you do all the setup. You'll look at this right here. You can set up a capture card. I was trying to set up mine, but I realized that it's not really a capture card. It's considered like a camera capture card. So I already had it in my general layouts right here, but I didn't realize that while I was recording. But you'll click the eye to make it active, and there you'll see me streaming my Xbox console right there. Right there you'll press the start button. For the start button, you can set a cover image, you can do the topic, gaming, or whatever your live stream is about. You can set a title and a live intro for when people come in. And when you get subs and things like that, that's the categories for the stuff that you can do with your subs. After you fill all that in, the go live button will turn red, and that's how you actually go live. But if there's anything else, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you need some more help. Did I cover everything? It's just a basic tutorial.